So guys, today our question is a very interesting one. This question is about linked list and has been asked multiple times in interviews of Goldman Sachs and Amazon. So it's a very interesting question. We have to delete a node from the linked list. Seems quite easy, but this is a special case. We are not given the head pointer of the linked list. We are given the address of the node which has to be deleted. So let me explain this question. So for example, if we had to delete a simple node and we were given head, we will just traverse the linked list with 3 pointers: current, next and previous. As soon as current became equal to the node value, we'll point the previous's next value is equal to the next node of the current. But this is a special case. For example, if we have to delete the node 5, we'll be given the address of this node itself only. So in this question, we go with an approach that we copy all these elements here. So now our new linked list will become 4 points to 1, points to 9 and 9 points to null. So 5 gets deleted and this is what we wanted. So let's proceed to the code. The code is a very simple one and we'll be writing a recursive solution. So we'll copy the next node's data into our current data. After that, we'll check if the current node is the second last node. So if it is the second last node, we'll just point it to null and return. And if it's not, we'll just recursively call our function and be done by it. Delete node, node's next value. So let's try it. Okay, so test case passed. Let's submit. And our answer gets selected. So guys, this is a very important question and has been asked multiple times in interviews of Amazon and Goldman Sachs. So be sure to practice it. I'll post the question link in the description. Thank you.